If you are a motivated gastroenterologist, if you want to upgrade your endoscopic skills, if you want to learn from the best, this course is for you. I'm Dr. Zornica Gorcheva, a co-founder of Endo BulVision and a chair of Bulgarian Association for Young Gastroenterologists. Let me take you to this educational journey with us. The collaboration between Endo BulVision and Royal Training Center gives you the amazing opportunity to take part in live courses for advanced endoscopic techniques, ERCP, EOS, and ESD. The venue is a telecommunication endoscopic center at Medical University Pleven, Bulgaria. Founded in 2007, the center has the most advanced technology for training in endoscopic techniques, minimally invasive and robot-assisted surgery. What will happen here in our experimental operating room? You can join hands-on sessions on live tissues, observe case studies, and take part in interactive workshops. Our experts will share tips and tricks from their practice with you. Come and join us. Your expertise expands with us.